everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to tell you about these cute ghost Halloween decorations. They do come in a set of 2 and they can be used indoor or outdoor. The height is adjustable. They go from 3 feet all the way up to 5 feet. So really cool. You can make it look however you want. They actually do light up also. So it comes with wire LED lights and they run on AA batteries, 2 AA batteries. You can actually change the expression. It comes with 2 different little expressions and they are adhesive, so you just stick them right on there. Super easy to put together. It literally only took me like 5 minutes at most, and that's probably too much. And I just think that they are so cute. The fabric itself is water resistant, so if you do have them outside, they're not gonna be completely damaged. Super easy on the inside here. You can see that it just has basically a rod in the middle that you string the lights up through, and then you just drape the sheet right over the top. So super easy, super cute. I think it's a super fun way to decorate for Halloween. So if you are looking for something like this, I would highly recommend you look into this product. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.